Welcome back to the Africa Development Hub, where we explore bold ideas, real solutions, and the future of a rising continent. Some of the fastest growing economies in Africa are rich in oil, gas, and minerals. But behind the impressive GDP figures is a darker story, one where foreign companies profit while local communities remain in poverty. These booms often come with environmental damage, political corruption, and economic inequality. Nigeria is Africa's largest oil producer, and for decades oil has dominated its economy. Yet, despite the billions in oil revenue, most Nigerians remain poor. In the Niger Delta, where the oil is drilled, communities face polluted water, destroyed farmland, and toxic air. Oil profits flow to a few elites and foreign companies, while everyday people see little benefit. In Angola, the post-war oil boom once made it one of the fastest-growing economies in the world. But the wealth was concentrated in the hands of the few. Luanda became one of the most expensive cities on earth, while millions lived in slums. Much of the oil revenue disappeared through corruption and mismanagement. Today, Angola is still trying to recover, but the foundation of its economy remains fragile and dependent on oil exports. The Democratic Republic of Congo holds the minerals that power the modern world. Cobalt, copper, gold, all essential to today's global economy. And yet, millions of Congolese people remain without electricity, clean water, or basic infrastructure. The mineral wealth fuels global tech industries, but the profits are extracted by multinationals, while local miners, including children, work in dangerous conditions for almost nothing. Namibia is a more recent addition to the list. With new offshore oil discoveries and increasing interest in rare earth minerals, it's being called the next energy hotspot. At the same time, the country is investing in green hydrogen and renewable energy exports. The government promotes transparency, but as foreign companies pour in, many citizens worry the wealth will once again leave the country while local needs are ignored. What connects all of these countries is a dangerous pattern. Natural resources bring investment and growth, but often fail to bring justice. Too often, the profits are locked into long-term contracts that benefit foreign interests. Environmental damage is brushed aside. Corruption becomes normalized, and the real needs of the people, education, jobs, infrastructure, are left unmet. The numbers may look good on paper, but GDP growth alone doesn't tell the whole story. A country can be labeled as fast-growing, while most of its people remain poor, hungry, or unemployed. True development requires more than resource extraction. It requires building economies that serve people, not just corporations. That means creating strong institutions, demanding transparency, investing in local industries, and protecting the environment. Some countries are beginning to make those changes. Others are still stuck in the same extractive cycle that began during colonial rule. Africa's resource wealth is enormous, but the real question is whether that wealth will stay in Africa or continue to be taken. The world is watching. And the future depends on the choices made now.